After missing many deadlines set by Elon Musk, Neuralink's wireless brain chip is expected to enter human clinical trials in 6 months, the company's CEO announced on Wednesday. The company's brain chip interfaces, which Musk said on Wednesday would also aim to restore vision, may one day allow paralyzed people to walk, talk, and interact normally again. Neuralink, with offices in the San Francisco Bay Area and Austin, Texas, has been performing animal testing for the last several years in preparation for human clinical trials. During a nearly 3-hour talk at Neuralink headquarters, Musk underlined the rapid pace at which the business is creating its gadget. In regards to questions about prospective product uses, the FDA has said that it cannot provide any information. Musk has said that the first 2 human uses for the Neuralink gadget will be in restoring vision and enabling movement in muscles in persons who cannot do so. If someone is born blind, for example, we think we may still restore vision, he added. More than a year has passed since Neuralink's last public demonstration, in which a monkey implanted with a brain chip played a computer game solely via thought abilities. Musk, the CEO of rocket company SpaceX, social networking site Twitter, and electric car maker Tesla, has many ambitious plans, including conquering Mars and rescuing humanity. He has similarly lofty goals for Neuralink, which he founded in 2016. In the future, he hopes to use this chip to cure neurological disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, and to help those with paralysis recover motor function. Along with this, he discusses combining AI with the human brain. That's it for today, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and check our website at www.techwiki.co. Thanks for watching.